Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the skin and removing barriers to change. Wash the area gently twice a day to remove sweat and bacteria. Once done, exfoliate once or twice weekly using a low-strength AHA or BHA to slough dead cells. Make sure to patch test any chemical exfoliant before broad use. Follow with a rich, non-comedogenic moisturizer and immediately reduce friction. Switch to breathable fabrics and adjust sitting habits. This prevents further darkening while the skin begins to renew. You now add active treatments to fade pigment. Apply a niacinamide or azelaic acid serum in the morning to reduce transfer of pigment. Once tolerated, layer kojic acid or a licensed lightening cream following instructions. At night, introduce a retinoid slowly, 2 to 3 nights per week, and increase frequency as tolerated to speed cell turnover. Make sure to protect any exposed skin with sunscreen and avoid harsh rubbing when drying. Consistent, gentle application over weeks yields measurable lightening. You finish by locking in results and knowing when to escalate care. Maintain the cleansing, active treatment, and moisture routine for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Take photos every 2 weeks so small changes are visible. If progress stalls, consult a professional for in-office chemical peels or laser options. These work faster but require expert guidance. If you get persistent irritation or worsening pigment, stop actives, use a barrier repair cream, and seek a dermatologist to avoid harming the skin further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.